It's midnight somewhere, which means it's time for midnight mukbangs.
Grab a snack and settle in, because tonight we're serving up mysteries with our munchies.
I'm Maya, your midnight fact checker, and I'm ready to dig into these mysteries. Or just dig into this Taco Bell.
And I'm an expert in everything.
And I'm Katie. I'm just here for the food.
Every episode, we dig into the snacks and the stories you won't believe.
And tonight we have the literal perfect snack, Taco Bell.
And tonight, our theme is
Conspiracies.
Various skinwalkers lurking among us.
Are we remembering a reality that never even happened?
And finally, is Beyonce getting revenge on those who don't give her props? Let's dig in.
Conspiracy, skinwalkers. According to my notes here, skinwalkers are a concept or folklore developed from the Navajo, and they think that witches can transform into animals such as bucks, coyotes, deer, dogs, any animal pretty much. I'm a firm believer in this, personally. When I go out in the woods, I'm horrified.
I'm terrified every single time. I'm not even gonna lie.
Who wouldn't be a true believer in this? Like, imagine trying to walk around every day and understanding the fact that we might live with skinwalkers.
You know what? We actually scrounged for evidence for all of these theories, and we found some pretty crazy stuff.
You won't believe it.
Let's
Roll the tapes.
That was terrifying. I cannot even believe that's real.
Imagine being next to that every single day of your life and realizing that you could even live with one.
I just shit my pants.
Now, on to our next theory tonight, the Mandela effect. According to my notes I found, it's when a group of people adamantly believe an incident or experience occurred that never even happened. This all began when a large group of people believed that the one and only Nelson Mandela, a civil rights leader, died in a prison back in the 80s. When he lived on, he didn't even pass away until 2013. Some believe that this effect is because of the multiverse idea. For example, everyone knows the Monopoly Man. Who wouldn't? We all grew up with him as a kid. He has a monocle.
Absolutely, he does.
He has a monocle.
Yes,
He has
he
a
does.
monocle. Or so we thought.
Let's see the tapes.
Whole entire life has been a lie.
Can you believe that?
I can't
I
believe
can't.
it. We got a couple other examples for you guys. Pokemon, he has a yellow tail with a black tip, right?
Yes.
Nope. Black tip.
Everyone's famous, well-known Disney movie, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. We all know it as Mirror, Mirror on the Wall. But it actually is Magic Mirror on the Wall.
What?
Since when?
Bro.
I don't know. I believed this my whole life, and it's been a lie.
I heard of another one. Star Wars. No, I am your father. It's Luke. I am your father.
It's Luke. It's Luke.
Just hearing about these different things, it means our world is getting intertwined with another.
Terrifying. Let's move into the last and final theory of the night, the Beyonce situation. Many of you might have heard this from TikTok, and it all started when P. Diddy was arrested. People think that Beyonce and Jay-Z are killing off people who are a threat to them.
And get this. The song She Knows by J. Cole. We all know and love it. It's all about that.
I love that song.
I do too.
He says, rest in peace to Aaliyah, who died on August 25th. Rest in peace to Left Eye. She died on April 25th. Michael Jackson, I See You, Just As Soon As I Die. He died on June 25th.
What?
Coincidence?
I think the fuck not.
Not.
And here's another crazy ass theory. The song She Knows, like Georgia was saying, her name is actually She Knows, giving that her real last name.
Another crazy coincidence. We actually found some footage from one of our friends in the film industry, and it's of an award show that was never aired. Let's see it.
I would like to thank all of you for voting for me for Best Female of the Year. You truly are the best fans. I would like to thank my family and the producers. But most importantly, I would like to thank Beyonce. You truly are the best and you've changed my life. I couldn't do it without you.
I'm very grateful to be receiving this award. I'm happy to be up here. I'm happy that you all chose me as your person. And I'd like to give a shout out and thanks to my parents. They've always supported me growing up, my creative side. And to Beyonce, you fucking suck!
Oh my God. How can she? Is this real?
Who would ever disrespect Beyonce like that?
You know what? I think that the industry is in it with Beyonce. Why would they not air this episode?
Exactly. Did you see the way that he just got tackled to the ground?
She's only defending herself, as
Yet-
a queen bee should.
Yeah. Yet Will Smith slapping Chris Rock across the face made national television.
Can't believe it.
Interesting. Interesting.
We're gonna wrap up our theories and our show tonight with a thank you to Beyonce and to our viewers.
Thank you, Beyonce.
Absolute queen. We will forever respect you. And to our viewers, stay tuned for another episode, because next time we might actually feature a special guest. Until next time.
Thank you.
That was a lot better.
That was way better.
Okay. Bad.
Revenge. And I'll just read, some of us are remembering a reality that
Okay.
even happened.
Okay. Okay. I'm Katie and I'm fucking hungry. Just kidding, don't you? Okay.
Wait, oh, it's in my hair. Hold on.
Every episode we